What? Something's. Oh, guess we're gonna ride the single speed one. Elevators at the Hampton Inn, and that one's broken, and this one has a 2-speed door, and which is quite unique. We're gonna ride. That one's receiving some upgrades, I think. But I think this one's already coming down. Here it is. So Otis elevators from 2010. That Lion. Sold in 2010. These are actually my childhood elevators, and the big one had covered up before the cab was. So we're gonna show you a view. Picture, point the camera down. Alright, I'll show you the view. This is the view. It's pretty rainy outside. We're doing this just for fun. Right, let's head back to the elevators. Oh my. Oh, it's already here. Surprising. Let's go back to one. Look, that one has a little pop out while these ones are just flat. It's pretty unique. What a screech. Nice cab here. There are your fixtures. Otis Series 5. Next time I'm gonna try to ride the big one. Alright. There it goes. That's it.